Inside every ChargeBox we have a computer that is a bit like a black box in an aircraft. That benefits our end users, it benefits our clients, and it helps our service team be super efficient and on top of everything. We invented Smart Lock, which essentially means that when I put my phone in, we detect that your phone is connected, we detect that your phone is charging safely, and only then do we let you lock the door that your phone is inside. It's also used for detecting faults. So if we see a cable has not been used for some time, we would dispatch an engineer to rectify that before even the client had detected it. And that means we give the maximum availability of ChargeBox. If you come back and there's been a power cut and there's been some other malfunction, with a key you can always get your phone out, no matter what the situation. PIN is fundamentally insecure. If the user chooses a PIN that's commonly in use, it's very simple for somebody else just to try that PIN. And even more importantly, with today's video phones, somebody can stand behind you and watch you putting in the PIN and walk up right when you've left and take your phone out. We realised we needed a way that we could guarantee the security. So with keys, we guarantee that security. Our keys are unique, there are no master keys, and we've gone to great lengths to make sure the security is fundamental to every ChargeBox. And with 27 million charges done, we're absolutely confident that you can leave your device safely inside our lockers.